Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic. Still busy on the Yamaha Diversion. And today we're gonna solve a problem. What's the problem? Well, watch. Oh my god! Oh, this is terrible. Oh, this is... Whoa! Wow. Oh. This brake caliper is totally stuck here. So we have to deal with that now. First thing I'm gonna do is get the caliper off. There are two bolts over there and over there. And take a wrench of 8 and we're first gonna open and close. Wait a minute. Okay, open and close this one. Okay, open and close this one. Okay. Oh. Okay. And this one. But so it's been a long time since that was loosened. Oops. Yep, now it comes. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, second one, but now, whoa. This one, oof. No, this one. So, okay, God. Okay, now we're gonna screw these back in. Oh, the previous mechanic fucked it up big time. Yes, this one is loose. Then hopefully this comes. 1, 2, yes. Whew. We got luck. Down look again. So take the caliper off. Here are the two pins for the brake pads. Now let's screw them out. They painted it black. Don't know why. Okay. Yes. Now we can take the brake pads out. And this one. hold one back like this. And then pump the other one also out. Okay. Yep. Now. Now we're gonna give this one a good clean. Careful to clean the pistons. I have this stuff. That's warm water with dishwashing soap, and that works perfect. Just watch. So now clean them with just water. Okay, this out of the way, up, and then this. And now let's see. First, I'm going to give it a bit of a dry. Okay. Good time. Then we use a tiny bit of gonna use a bit of brake cleaner. Okay, now guys, before I'm gonna press them in, there is this where the seals are, and I'm gonna put a tiny drop of brake fluid into there. See? All the way around. So that way we sort of lubricate the seals. Over here I'm gonna do exactly the same, and then I got my tool. Wait a minute, let's see if already, yes, lucky me. Okay, but yes, I see it. Wait a minute. Goes back perfect. Guys, we have to remember, when you push the pistons back in, the fluid rises, your brake fluid rises in your reservoir. So we have to be sure that it's, wait a minute, hop, it's now all the way down. Okay, yes. Okay, see, this one goes a little bit through, tiny bit more. Yes, Now it goes in easy. Wow. Yep. That one goes better than that one. Block that one. There it goes. Okay. Okay. Up. Up. Okay. So guys, the pistons are now going smooth in and out. I'm gonna clean this, all that brake fluid. Okay. Okay. Then we have those pins. Gotta give them a quick much better than his brother. Okay, now let's see them. So we have the pins and the brake pads. We're gonna give the brake pads a thin smear where the pity, but just a tiny bit. So, and also I love to do those edges there, there, and this one. Just see, just a tiny bit. Over here the same thing, just a smear. Okay, yes, just then a bit over here and a bit over there and a bit over there. Okay. And we're gonna do the same with the pins. especially the thread. Kijk, just a bit. It looks a lot, but it isn't. Up, up, up. This one. Okay. Now, and then we're gonna push. Gonna slide the. Even kijken. Oh. So. Then I have to go in. No. Yep. So, perhaps my tool will work now, I think. Yep. Hey, that works good. So, now, and then, sure, need to push it a bit, see? There it goes, and up, hopefully there too, not sure. This one too. Okay, yep, and then, so, this one, and this one. Okay. Yes. Up. Not too tight. Up. Not too tight. Then we slide it onto the caliper. Yep. And we got the two bolts. Now, neither this bolt or that bolt I can handle with my torque wrench. So we're gonna just put them tight. Nicely tight. Just by hand. I have no other option. Otherwise I have to remove the exhaust. That's for another time. So, now I'm gonna give this. Put it up. Okay. Okay. This one. Oké, nou, die wil me hier eens even opruimen.